Cassidy Quinn is here for Live at 7, looking very sparkly for the holidays.
Guys, I have a whole team around me. Do you see this? It took this many people to make my makeup look this beautiful tonight. It looks extra beautiful because on the show tonight, we are helping you get ready for all those holiday parties. The pros from the Art of Makeup School are here, and they've already done my makeup. Now I will see if I can recreate the look on this brave volunteer. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Live at 7. I'm Cassidy Quinn. Now, as we mentioned, I look just extra beautiful, extra sparkly if you see a close-up in a moment of my face, because we have this whole group of people who has been here just dedicated to doing my makeup this evening. The Art of Makeup School is here because, of course, it's that time of year. We all get invited to parties. I think I have 2 holiday parties to go to this weekend. You guys weren't around last weekend. I had one to go to, and my makeup just looked horrible. But we want to get you ready, so that is what you guys will do. Celena, of course, here from the Art of Makeup School. You are the one that spent all the time making me look beautiful this evening, so thank you.
Well, it didn't take very long at all.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the hard work. Now, the hard part, the actual hard work, is going to be me recreating it on your model, of course. But first, tell me just quickly what you did to me. Basically, just made me extra festive and sparkly.
Right, because it's the holidays, it's very important to have lots of glitter. You can't have too much glitter. And so I tapped some glitter on your eyelids, and then I also did some contour, and of course a little bit of highlight shimmer on your cheeks, and a little bit of lip, and some winged eyeliner, because you know that's all the rage. And that was it. Oh, and lashes. You have to have lashes for the holidays.
I love the lashes. I wish I had the patience and the talent to put lashes on myself every day, but we'll see if I can do that on you. What was your name again?
Josie.
Josie. So Josie is our beautiful model for the evening, and now Celena, you can kind of talk me through. We have like 3.5 minutes.
Oh boy.
I know. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Be nervous, everyone. Josie, be extra nervous.
Okay. First, you want to do the contour on the eyelids. So pick like a brown.
Okay. Got this lovely Urban Decay palette. I'll pretend I'm a beauty guru.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
In the crease.
In the crease.
Yeah.
Josie, just tell me if I'm like stabbing you or something. Okay, it's doing something. I see that.
Good. Looks good.
Is that enough for that one? Or more on that side?
Maybe bring it a little bit more across.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Oh
okay,
yeah.
Next.
Beautiful. Okay, second eye. How do you learn how to do all of this, Celena? Has this been, of course, you have the Art of Makeup School, so that is what people actually learn at your school?
Yeah, so students come to my school and they learn how to do professional makeup artistry as a career to do makeup on others for all kinds of things, for film and TV like this, and then also for fashion, runway, print, all kinds of things like that. Parties, holiday parties. Okay, so let's move on.
Yes.
Okay, so
first step complete. Now we get into the glitter?
Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't wait for glitter. It should be as soon as possible.
This is the part that could go really great, but it also could just, you could have glitter everywhere, Josie.
Here's a little glitter. Just tap it on her eyelids.
Okay.
And I'll get the glitter, I mean, that's the glue, sorry, glue. And
so
then
this is just to make it,
tacky,
to set it and get it sticky so that then we can do a little more for the other eye. Okay.
Yeah, and then I got the glitter ready for you.
Yes. And for the glitter, we're kind of dipping just a little glue and glitter.
Yeah.
And just kind of packing it on.
Yeah, be careful because it can be all over the cheeks.
Oh gosh, okay.
In no time.
We don't want too much glitter here.
So tap it on.
Although, like you said, you can never have too much glitter.
It's true. That's my motto, pretty much.
How am I doing?
That looks good.
She's like, not great, but
maybe, no, it looks good. Put some more like towards the corner, in the inner corner.
Yeah. Oh, I feel like I needed more. That didn't show up as much as I wanted it to.
You might need more glue.
Oh, okay.
There we go. See? Okay.
I hope that you can see all of this on television right now because I'm doing a great job. Oh, good. My producer Christian's in my ear saying, we can, we can. Thank you, Christian. Okay, second eye. All the glitter.
See, look how good you are. You're like a professional.
Thank you so much. You know, it's nice when you can. I told you this earlier and you got a little scared that I've never really done anyone else's makeup before, only my own. But at least then you can you can see both eyes at the same time and compare them and go, okay, do they look the same or not? When you have your own, you can only see one at a time.
I think you did a good job.
Now the winged eyeliner.
Yeah, that's
the other thing I've told you. I have never done gel eyeliner like this in my entire life. I do my own eyeliner every day, but I use one of those little felt tip pens. So
yeah, this is going to be interesting.
Interesting. Yes. Okay.
So, okay, you want to make sure that you get it close to the lash line.
Do you start on with the wing side?
Yeah. So you know
Okay.
where you want to start.
Oh gosh.
Okay, there you
The sound effect. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna be calm because
Okay, I'll
then
try not to
Josie
make
will
sound effects.
be calm as well.
Okay.
Is your eye okay, Josie? Okay.
Oh, look,
Okay.
it's going.
It's doing something, yeah. Is my wing far enough out? Yeah.
Okay, maybe she should open her eyes and look down.
Okay. Oh yeah.
And then-
Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, the shape is there. It just doesn't. It's not as precise as I would like it to be.
First try.
Okay, so we've run out of time.
Oh.
We will, though, finish you, Josie. We're going to toss to Mackenzie, who is out celebrating the first evening of Hanukkah by making, personally, my favorite thing about Hanukkah, besides the chocolate, is latkes. So, hey, Mackenzie.
Back to you, girl.
Mackenzie,
So
I will
good.
definitely eat some latkes, even though, you know, my makeup and Josie's makeup look so perfect. But we do want to show you also, we want to make sure you get to see the final, the very final version. What was your name again?
Ellie.
Ellie. So Ellie has the completed makeup look with the lashes and everything. I ran out of time to put the actual lashes on Josie. But I think, did I do okay, Celena?
Oh, you did an excellent job.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Ready for a night out on the town. I think the glitter, it really just pulls it all together, right?
See, I told you.
So Art of Makeup School, if you want to actually learn how to do it yourself and not have me do it, because, yeah, have Celena do it for you. Thank you, guys. You all look beautiful.